Yesterday, I used Skala for the first time. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting to use it for ages. I am like so nervous to see how it turned out. Ain't no best way. If I could. Guys. Okay. I gotta contain my excitement because look what I got. Da, 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 da. Wow, wow, wow. This is Skala. Now, I have seen everyone and their aunties and their mamas and their everybody on earth using this product. It's also vegan, which is very exciting, but it's a Brazilian hair conditioner. And I've been told that oh wait, I'm doing this without my glasses. Technically, I was told from my hair texture, which is 4A, 3C combo, I would say, the best one would be the orange one. However, this is the only one I could find. But, you know, it's a 2-in-1 cream conditioner, and I'm literally trying to translate from Portuguese. This is a Skala Expert Total do Amor. I don't know how to say it. Looks like this. I got it for this much. There's a back. It's quite big, and it's a co-wash, but I used it this time as a leave-in conditioner because I already have a conditioner, a rinse-out conditioner, and they say you can use it for either one. And then I also used the Milk and Honey curl stretcher. I used the Milk and Honey curl stretcher as well because I have really bad shrinkage. If you guys don't know, I really do. So you can see my hair right here. I have it in a little bun, but when I took my bonnet off this morning, the curls, when I've seen videos of people do it, they really saturated. I mean, it was saturated. When I tell you the definition, when I tell you the shine, look. Right, I know. Watch this. Did you see it? Let's run it back. Ooh. I mean, the definition of these curls is crazy. I'm gonna try to get closer. Let's see, I'm gonna take it down, and it's still a little wet, but I put it up to shower. But we're gonna take it down. Okay, we're just gonna, no one panic. Why does it look like I have one bundle on my head? I'm gonna give it, you know what guys, okay. We're just gonna separate it. We're gonna separate the curls. Yeah, okay, don't panic. It's just a waste of my time. It didn't take that long, but so first we need to break the cast because it is crunchy, but it's still kind of wet in the back. And I have some castor oil to, I don't know, try to like fix it, to pull it apart. Oh guys, was this a mistake? Okay, let's just do some oil. Let's pull them apart. Okay, let's start in the back. The curls though, the curls are so defined. Like, what is this? Okay, I have the oil. Oh, even just putting oil on it, it's coming apart. I just put oil on it and it's like separating. into good curls. Let's just put that out the way. Okay, so these, oh. Okay. Okay, less panicked. Okay, let's just separate them. I'm just really worried it's gonna get tangly. You guys want to see a magic trick? See this? I was hesitant to do this like saturated look because it makes my shrinkage so intense. I'll be back. Okay, so here we go. I mean, it's really ringlety, it's really defined. I'm just not used to seeing my hair like super like ringlety, I guess, because I usually have more of like an S-shape curl to my hair. The shrinkage is unfortunate, but I do like the shine. So this is day 1 of this product. I didn't diffuse, I just pineappled it, let it air dry. So I'm gonna check back in with the other days and hopefully it'll stretch out a little bit, because this is a little not quite my style, but it's very pretty. So yeah, I'll check back in a couple days. All right, it is day 2 or 3 of having my hair with the Skala and the ultra definition, and I think it's, I mean, you can see it's a lot better. I decided to pull it apart a bit more, the defined curls, and it's definitely moving and fuller. And I would say like you have fine strands, but a lot of it, so people think it's thick, but really, you know, it's fine or thin hair. It's not gonna look good the first 2 days. I'm just telling you, when you really define your curls, it's gonna look scary. I looked like I had about 3 hairs on my head. I looked like that doll from Rugrats. It was sticking out. I will say right now, after giving it some time, I mean, I just wore my hair in a bun the first 2 days because I was so embarrassed. It just looked crazy and really shrunken, even though I used the Milk and Honey curl stretcher. But I think now that it's stretched out a bit, I did 2 braids so it would loosen them. I will say one thing I'm a little worried about is the, I don't know if you can see, but maybe I'm afraid of the hair locking because they're in such tight curls. I would say down here is a tighter curl pattern than up here. I don't know if you can see, but it is definitely a concern of mine that if I don't keep up with washing it every couple weeks when I use this, that it will lock up or really tangle itself. And that could just be, you know, fear because I'm not used to this much definition in my hair. But I think, you know, the curls are really beautiful. I have to get used to it looking like this, and like, as you can see, the shrinkage is a lot better. It's not up to here anymore, and I think that as the days go on, I'm gonna get used to this feeling. Now, I do have some breakage because I was wearing my hair in tight styles for the past, you know, for the different shows I've been doing. But if you can see, the top does have frizz. The bottom, no frizz. the top, and I did apply quite a lot to the top part. I don't know if that's just from, you know, wearing it in a bun, or I don't know why the top is just so much more frizzy and then less shiny than this. I will turn around and show you the back. So my final message is, if you have thin or fine hair, trust the process. It will look cute, it will have shrinkage, but it will be really defined. Just give it a few days to loosen itself out. I'm gonna do a dramatic hair flip so you can see the vision. Here are my final thoughts. This is probably the most frizzy I'll let it get, so I'll probably wash my hair soon. It's been a good week or so. Okay, it's been a good week or so, which is nice, but it didn't last as long as I was hoping as far as definition and lack of frizz. My hair always, no matter how I style it, it'll always stretch out through a week, but I kind of was expecting the Skala to stop the tangling, or rather I was sort of hoping that the Skala would help to prolong the frizziness for a bit, like so I could keep this without washing it, but it's actually more tangled. I don't know what to say. I am a little disappointed that it's more tangled. However, it makes sense because the curls are formed more tightly in this way rather than a braid out, rather than me leaving it just as a wash and go. Because when I do a wash and go, it's definitely more of an S-shaped curl. But this is like, you know, spiraled, which I don't often get to see my hair with the corkscrew curls. So it's nice, but it is more tangly. And the 4A is 4Aing in the back, which I love. It's just, and I will say it's not locking like I was worried about a couple days ago. It is in fact turning into a helmet on the top of my hair. And maybe I'm not doing something right as far as maintaining it. Like maybe I need to spray it with water to like revitalize it. I could do that. Should we do that and see? It's just like here is like I can't like, or when I pick it up it's like all one piece, you know, not, it's like not,
it's not the vibe. Stop!
What I was hoping for, but I definitely like it the most in this state as far as like volume and like definition and length. It's pretty, it's cute, she's cute. Maybe I'll try the spray bottle. Let's do that. It might make it worse. Let's do it. Oh, direct hit. Okay. Let's just do this and see. I think it's shinier after the spray bottle. It's still like I'm wanting to wash it. So this will be my final day talking about my hair with Skala, since I probably will wash it this weekend. And I say that it's a really cool product. I kind of want to try the orange one, which is the one that everyone with like my hair texture is saying to use. But I also heard that this one was good to try out. So I'm glad I tried it. It's really good if you're looking for a immediate shine and tight curl and really defined curl. Be prepared for shrinkage. Be prepared for it to only last about a week. If you have I can only speak to my hair texture. I have low porosity, like very low porosity, and as you can see, this is my hair after using this. So this is like the tightest that it gets, but you saw the shrinkage at the beginning of the video. So would I use this again?
Maybe.
Yes, but not necessarily as a style tool, like as a wash and go. I think I'll just use it as a conditioner because it really did make them soft. However, I think that for me it's not quite as durable as I'd like, and I'm not looking forward to combing my hair out in the shower with my because I finger detangle, and that's a too. I'm actually going to make a new video about that too, because I think there's a big discussion there and I understand people's reservations about it, but we need to talk. Like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more review videos like this or just tutorial videos. Also, check out my TikTok at 𝙗𝚔𝚔14, 𝙗𝚔𝚔14, where you can find makeup videos, hair tutorials, dancing, conversations, all that under a minute. If you like video games, check out my Twitch, 𝙗𝚔𝚔𝚔. I'll have all of that linked below in case you're interested in checking it out. I liked it. These are my results. This was my process, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!